as a mother of two, my body changed, and since I'm not going to have no more children, I decided that it's time to, do something for myself and just make myself look better.
Probably like a lot of stories from a lot of moms. I'm a mom of two. I have two boys, they're grown, 26 and 33. And it's that whole mommy thing. Your body completely is turned inside out after you have kids, both C-sections. And it was something I always wanted to do. It just seemed like life, 1 year turns into 5 years, and it turns into 15 years, and you look up and you realize all this time has passed. So it's something I've always wanted to do. And to be honest with you, I think Kimmy was the one who really kind of told me, hey, why not? I kept making excuses, like there was other things that I needed to do and not taking time to realize what I needed to do was something for me, something that was meaningful and special just for me, not a gift for the house, or a gift for the family. I needed it to be something special just for me that I always wanted to do. And so Kimmy was like, do it, just do it. She said, at least look into it. And so the more I looked into it, the more comfortable I became with the whole process. That was one. And then two, my son, my oldest son visits South America. I didn't know where he was going until I mentioned it to him, where I wanted to go get my surgery, and he's like, Mom, that's where I go vacation all the time. I go to Cartagena. That's where you should go.
I decided to have plastic surgery because I think since I was like 16, I was very insecure about my breasts. And finally, I'm finally 22. I decided to have surgery. I was very scared about it at first, but once I was here and I met the team, they made me feel so comfortable. Everyone was so welcoming. In the city itself is so beautiful. Everyone here is so nice. I'm so happy that I came here for my surgery.
Well, in the first place or the second time?
Tell me.
Well, I had a baby. My first child, I had her, and my boobs, they dropped down to like nothing. And they were already small to begin with. So it was a confidence booster for me to get them done. There were certain shirts that I couldn't wear, and so I did come to Dr. Alex Campbell, and he definitely fulfilled my needs at the time. So then I came back a second time because I had another baby, and they dropped again. So he ended up fulfilling my needs a second time, more than ever. And I say more than ever because we did do 2 procedures, but he went twice because the first time not that I wasn't happy, but he made a suggestion for me and I didn't listen, and I should have listened to him because he was right. And he was more than happy to go back in and fulfill my needs. So he's just amazing for that.
So in 2019, I started going to the gym and working out, and I saw a lot of results in my body, but also a lot of extra skin on my face from where I had lost weight. And I wanted to, since I had worked so hard, I wanted to really enhance the hard work I had already done. So I came here not because I felt bad about myself, but actually because I felt really good about myself. And I feel that, Dr. Campbell really enhanced what I already had and made it a really good experience.
It's a good question. So many years ago, I lost a lot of weight, about 160 pounds. And so over the course of time, I have had a few plastic surgeries for the things that bothered me most. But I decided to come here to have these last couple of surgeries done, honestly, as a celebration of myself. It was like a treat for myself to say, I'm worth it, to get every last thing taken care of. So it wasn't a scary thing for me at all. It was exciting and empowering, and felt like a healthy self-care thing to do.
Kids, and up in age, and I feel like it's about me now. I want to live my life, and I want to be a little more comfortable in what I wear. So I decided to just do a little enhancement with my body, and that's what I did.